Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? On behalf of this channel, I would like to express my sincere greetings and congratulations to you. This car is a 2016 Honda Accord 2.4i VTEC. The problems of this car are: after starting the car's engine, the ABS light stays on, and when the parking brake is released, the parking light stays on, and the steering wheel light stays on. The anti-braking system does not work properly while driving. It takes a long time to stop while driving. Please watch the full video to know how to solve this problem. Inshallah, you and your car will be able to solve the problem. Now I entered the car. Now I first put the ignition switch in the on position, pressed the brake pedal, clicked the push start button and started the car engine. After starting the car's engine, check to see if the dashboard meter parking light, ABS light, and power steering light are on. Now I released the handbrake pedal. Normally, releasing the handbrake would turn off the parking lights, but look, the parking lights of this car are on. To find out what is causing this problem in the car, we must first check with the scan computer to see if there are any fault codes. The ABS code is 34-11 ABS solenoid valve malfunction. Code 32-11 ABS solenoid valve malfunction indicates that one or more solenoid valves within your anti-lock braking system, ABS, module are not operating properly, possibly due to a faulty valve, wiring problem, or a problem with the ABS control module, which can cause inconsistent or ineffective braking during hard braking situations. First, I turned off the car's engine. I will go to the engine compartment because the main reason for the fault code is 2, number 1 ABS control module wiring connection, number 2 ABS control module, to open the ABS pump cable socket connection on a Honda Accord. Remember, there is no need to open the battery negative and positive terminals. Now I will open the ABS pump cable socket to check if there is any problem with the ABS pump cable connection. To open the socket, I pushed and held the lock on top and pulled the white colored lock outwards to open the cable socket. There is no problem with the ABS pump cable socket, it is completely clean. And there is no problem with the connection pin of the ABS control module cable socket, it is completely clean. I will open and remove the ABS control module. To remove the ABS control module, remove the 2 screws at the top and the 2 screws at the bottom. I removed the 2 screws on the bottom side and took it out. Now I will remove the 2 top screws. After removing the 4 screws of the ABS control module, I will now remove the ABS control module. Hold the ABS control module by hand and pull it outwards. I have removed the ABS control module. Now I will send this ABS control module to the ECU repair shop for checking and repairing. Since I cannot repair the control module, it is a bit expensive to replace it. So I will get it repaired from another place. 2 days later, the ABS control module has been repaired and returned. Now I will install the ABS control module and check if the problem is solved. I will install these 2 pins on the inner side of the ABS control module. Install the 2 pins inside the ABS control module in this way. Now I will connect the ABS control module to the ABS pump. When installing the ABS control module, make sure that the 2 pins are seated correctly. After installing the ABS control module, I will now install the 4 screws. I will tighten the screws well and sufficiently. ABS control module installation is complete. Now I will connect the ABS control module cable socket to the ABS control module. After installing and compiling everything, I will now enter the car. First, I will clear the ABS fault code. I connected the scan computer to a car's OBD socket. Now I turned the car's ignition key switch to the on position, to clear the ABS fault code. I selected the scan computer Honda car. To clear the fault code, I will click Clear Fault Code. Please enter to clear all faults code. Clearing fault code. Please turn off the ignition. Please turn on the ignition. Fault code clear, please enter to continue. Now I will click on Read Fault Code to see if the fault code has been cleared or not. See no fault code. Now there are no more photos, the full code has been cleared. Now I will start the car engine because I will see if the ABS or lights on the dashboard meter have cleared or not. I started the engine by pressing the brake pedal and clicking the push start button. Look at the dashboard meter. Now there are no more ABS, brake, or steering wheel lights. Now I'll go check the engine compartment. This ABS control module has been repaired. Inshallah there is no more problem now. Now I have closed the bonnet hood to test drive the car. Now I will test drive the car. We'll see if the ABS light comes on or not. I am testing the car by driving it, inshallah. Now there are no more fault lights or dashboard meters, now there are no more problems. If you have any problems understanding anything after watching the video, please comment. Everyone please pray for me. I also pray that Allah will keep you well. Allah Hafiz.